Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online classes. Standard 8, subject Maths. Okay, here 11.1. In this exercise, question number 3. The shape, this is the garden. It is rectangular in the middle and semicircular at the end as shown in the diagram. Find the area and perimeter of this garden. So you have to remember one thing, if this kind of figure is given in different shapes, then you have to find out the area and diameter or whatever perimeter of different shapes, and then you have to add them. Directly you can't find the area or perimeter or circumference or length directly. Here you have to find out separately, okay, different figures, and then you have to add. So what is the total length? Here in the figure it is given total length from here to this point. This total length is 20 meter, including the length of this rectangle. Now diameter of semicircle, that is a 7 meter. So what is the radius of semicircle? 3.5, half of it. Now you can see this is the radius, okay. This is because it's a semicircle. This is radius, whatever I am drawing, okay. So let me zoom it. If this part is of length 3.5, here also it's a 3.5 because it's a radius. So if you will subtract that much portion, that much length from this 20, so we will have the length of this rectangle, okay. It means you have to subtract 20 minus 3.5 minus 3.5. So that is a 13. So what is the length of this rectangle? 13. And this diameter that is also the width of this rectangle. So what is the width? 7, okay. Now we have length is 13, width is 7. We have the radius, that is a 3.5. So we can have the area of rectangle and we can have the area of semicircle. You can see here 13. Now find out the area of rectangle. It's a 91, 13 into 7. Now area of two semicircles. What is the area of circle? Pi r square, but it's a semicircle. So you have to half it, 1 by 2. And two semicircles. So again you have to multiply by 2. 2 to cancel out. 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. Multiply it. So you'll get 38.5 meter square. And add them. So area of garden you will have. Now perimeter of two semicircles. Perimeter, it means circumference. What is the circumference? 2 pi r, but it's a semicircle, means half of it. 2 to cancel out, so it's a pi r. But how many semicircles? 2 semicircles. So here multiply by 2. Put the values and solve it. Perimeter of garden, 22 plus 13 plus 13. Because you have to find out perimeter. How? Okay. What is the length? This one 13. Here also 13. Okay. Both we have to add. Now to find out the perimeter, we should add this perimeter, this length, not this line. Okay. So what is the perimeter? What is the circumference? We got here 22, both these sides. Okay. This both sides length is 22. So 13 plus 13 plus 22. That is the perimeter of a full garden. Now let's see the fourth question. A flooring tile has the shape of parallelogram whose base is 24 centimeter and the corresponding height is 10 centimeter. It's parallelogram, here it is given, it can be in any shape. This height is given 10 centimeter and base, that is a 24 centimeter. How many such tiles are required to cover a floor of area 1080? So area of this parallelogram 1080 meter square. Okay, what you have to do here? One floor is given. This is a shape of tiles. Okay, that was my mistake. This is the shape of a one style, that is a parallelogram, and whose base and height is given. And this kind of how many tiles are required to cover the floor of area 1080 meter square. So here you can find out this way. Here formula is given, area of floor minus area of one tile. So we have area of floor and we can get the area of one tile, that is a base into height, b into h. Remember the formula, b into h. So here it's a 24 centimeter and here it's a 10. So 24 into 10, it's a 240 centimeter, but here it is given in meter. So convert into meter, divide by 1000, 0 cancel out, 24 divide by, by 10,000, because you have to divide, it's a meter square. Okay, so you have to divide by 100 into 100, so it's a 10,000, 0 cancel out, 24 divided by 1000, so it's a 0.024. So 1080 divided by 0.024, that is a 45,000 tiles. So 45,000 tiles are required to cover the floor. Thank you.